everyone, welcome to my channel Fun Art with Jiya. So today I am going to make waterfall drawing. So let's get started. First fold the paper into half. Now take that blue color and start coloring vertically. Now color horizontally in another side of paper. Now take white color and color it vertically to showing a waterfall. Now take crumble paper and dip it into white color and paste it on the paper to show the waterfall real. Now take red color and make flowers. Take black color and make stones. Now make the stem of the flower using black color. So our waterfall drawing is ready. If you like my video, hit like, and if you want more such video, subscribe to my channel and also share with your friends and family. Bye bye.